Yeah. Oh, bro, this is gonna be cheese, yo. Oh, fat. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna put that on there. We're gonna. Yeah. No, we're not gonna put that on that. Let's go. Oh, what'd you take out? Let's go. Let's go. Hold on, tell him I said, hey, Daryl said what's up. Daryl said what's up. He's in my chat. He's in my chat. Y'all can check. Uh-huh. He said what's up. Daryl, can you hear him? Type yes in the chat or no.
Kermit's party. Alright. Yo, what up, man? You can hear me from now.
Let me see. Alright, let's go. It's free for all? Let's go.
Yeah, it's free.
Oh, yeah. I'm about to get wrecked.
Oh my god, you faggot over.
Bro, who's sniping already? Yeah, you guys are noobs. Yeah, you guys are, yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. I found y'all.
No, because then I'll be lagging. Yeah, dude, Angel Scope. I told you guys it's a monster.
Oh, what?
Way better than the Shiva.
Yo, where's
Shiva, yo.
Yeah.
When you don't put any kill streaks on.
Bro, look at this. This is straight bull. I'm like.
I teleported back though.
Bro, look at this shit, bro. Yeah, this game is garbage. Yeah, I'm actually fucking done. Watch this. I'm gonna find someone and then I'm gonna die. What? Who already? Oh, wow. You guys are fags, guys. You guys are fags. You guys already got all your shit. Oh my god. Whoa! No, they got wraps in here, bro. Yeah, stop the game. Yeah, you guys are using. Yeah, you guys are already cheesing. Yeah, you guys are already cheesing this game. I can't even see shit, yo. Bro, look at this.
Damn, broski. This game is crazier than a mofo.
Bro, it's not my quality, bro. It's your quality. Watch, I'm gonna send you a screenshot of what my quality's on, bro. Oh my god, yo. Like you're actually, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Yeah, yeah, stop the game. Oh hell no. Again? You've gotta be fucking kidding me.
Another one.
Oh shit.
How long?
Why did it give me glitch? And why would I'm done. Yeah, this game is absolute. Come on, let me get my first kill. Let's go.
You're a liar.
Here. Nah, for real? Why wouldn't I be doing that? Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna cheese everyone, yo. And ads? Oh, yeah, that ad cheese, yo. But I ain't getting none for it, so I'm sorry.
Dude, just to know, we have to get 500 kills, Brian, so yeah.
Bro, look at this, man.
Come on, dude, how do you have
Yeah,
no
I'm
kills?
actually gonna quit. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to back out any second. Oh, hell. Yeah. Yeah, end the game. E, end the game. E.
Dude.
Oh, bro. Okay, good. Alright. Yo. I'm done.
Tired crap, yo.
Yeah, that dude was actually cheating. Javi, if you don't, bro, I will if you don't get on my chat. Yeah.
One.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you out real quick.
When it was 2 KD, it's finally better. I didn't know what it was. I thought it was how much points you get for a kill. Like,
Yeah, get timed out. Get timed out, fam. Get timed out.
alright, let's see.
Daryl, type in the chat.
Edit game
I got a
mode,
mod of Daryl.
Let's see, I'll put some crazy crap on you.
I gotta tell Daryl. I gotta tell Daryl. Daryl, type. I gotta mod you. I'm a mod Daryl. Go to team deathmatch.
Oh man, only if they had one in the chamber, yo. Man, I missed that.
Daryl. Oh, okay.
That was me.
You feel special?
What's my showcase?
I modded you.
Oh, never mind. Let's see. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let me. Oh, yeah. This dude's gonna be in timeout for 600 seconds. Bro, you're lying. Is my quality really that bad? No. Oh no, it's actually decent. I put HD. I put it on HD though. It's decent. I'll fix it in a little bit.
And I still forgot to put KD.
Daryl, tell people to watch my stream, bro. Oh hell no, no. Oh, okay. Alright, Daryl. Damn it. Fuck you guys.
Where you guys at?
Bro, look at that. Bro, that's bull. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this. Nah, bro. You gotta take this dude out the game, bro. He literally just killed me that fast. Look at, and then look at your gun, bro. Your gun just literally.
Vesper with rapid fire.
You put rapid fire?
On the Vesper, man.
Bro, look at that.
Dude.
Yeah, look at that, bro. Bro, this game's not giving me any kill. Finally!
The thing I should have told you is that we have 200 health.
Bro, look at that!
We have 200% health.
Bro,
Oh,
stop
no
shooting,
wonder.
bro.
That's an automatic 1 kill. Damn it, Anthony.
Bro, look at. Alright, let's go. I'm still your gun, cause you like. Yeah, I'm gonna use your gun. See how you like it.
No, man. Do you know how fast that gun is, yo?
Bro, yeah. I'm low-key gonna take that gun again, though, cause that was low-key fire. But then I'm gonna take this kill right here, dog. Or I'm not. Or I'm not. How?
Damn. Get out of here. His Wi-Fi is like,
Fuck out of here.
He has his own internet line, yo.
Who?
Nice. Alright then, I only use this to spare. Alright then.
If I'm done, yeah. That's
I
bull.
only use fist. Oh wait, I'll take
Whoa.
I'm gonna get wrecked.
This game is gay, that's what's wrong.
I'm young.
Oh no, get your ass out, boy.
Come back here, boy.
Let's go. Ah!
That was me. If that dude,
Fuck!
I told you.
Son of a bitch! That was supposed to be my kill right there.
Health. I put 200%.
Who's Jail Man? Who is Jaw Man, bro?
Dude, everyone has 200% health.
Let's go. Fuck you talking about?
Dude, look at your kill counts and you always see how you have 200%.
It's your internet, bro.
I think we should let Anthony be host.
Are you kidding me?
Never mind. Dude,
Yeah.
I think that's fair.
You want to use my internet? Yeah, E.
200% help, yo.
Isai,
What happened?
let me be host.
Alright, wait up.
Hold on, let's play the...
We got school shits.
Aww.
Now that I think about it, I think I still have that 500 kills.
Daryl, you still in chat?
Smoke checked. The 54 Immortals crush all opposition.
Bro, that's really me, yo.
Because he's gonna change the game mode. Chicago with this.
Huh? Daryl, tell people to watch me, bro. Get someone from school to watch me. I didn't. What?
McDonald's got a connection though, man. I think I got like 5 megabytes per second over there.
Alright, so Daryl, you're in charge of making sure no one tries to spam in my chat. Or tries to put Golda in here and stuff like that. When I learn how to do song requests and stuff like that, then it's gonna be, oh look. Yeah, it's gonna be a GG. What's that gun called, yo? Cause I'm about to use it. What's that gun called? It's like cheese.